Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to a new episode of Tester Tech. And today we're continuing with tuning i3, like customize it the way we like it. And one big part of that is having Pywal extract the colors from the background image. And one thing that was still missing was the title bars of the i3 windows. They were not respecting the Pywal colors. And that's what we're gonna fix today. Which is interesting if you follow along with the i3 Rising series that I have on my channel. This is the next episode in that part. Looking at changing the title bar colors from some color you get from the Pywal script. And without further ado, let's dig into the video. Hello everyone. So a little video about actually the thing you see here. And that's the title bar of the terminals. And that's one thing, if you have seen my videos, you maybe have noticed that even though I have Pywal to change the rest of the theme, it doesn't change the title bar. And that's what I want to address in this video. So first let me show you what is the behavior at this moment. Let's go to CD to pictures, wallpapers. So I have one there, beach sunset. Let's view it. Let's extract this same one. Let's grab a new wallpaper. So we should have another one, EOG. So this one. So it's a different one, different colors, and let's now continue. So if you run Pywal, you already know how it works. I showed you a couple of times how it works. And then you will see the changes being done here. So every color, it's nice and green now, and also the menus and all that good stuff. So that is still the same. But you notice probably that this is still the same color. And that's what I want to fix in this video. So let's dive into it. Let's open up Kate. So Kate is here. So fun, quick side step. You have sessions. You can, for example, here save a session, and let's call this polybar free, etc. And then you can open all your files that you want, and each time you open up Kate, you can switch sessions. Just a quick side step there. Open folder, open up config, free, that's just one file in there, but okay. So let's select bash for this one, and let's do something, the color scheme. So the default one is, I like this falcon. All right. Okay. So you know this file, and if you change the background color here, for example this one, you see the change being done, and let's change it. Okay, yellow color. This is red. So, but anyways, so you see the change being done here, and to load in the Pywal generated colors, you need to do a couple of things. First, let's have a look. Files here. So files here, and cache, wall, So you have this is generated by Pywal, and colors, Xresources is one of them. And let's open up the Xresources here. So now we have it here. And now let's go here, open up a terminal, and run the Pywal script on the pictures, wallpapers, and beach sunset. So you see here it has changed and it was modified. And let's reload. And let's also set some plugin color picker. So then you can see the colors here. So like the darker ones, the reds, and that's what's being picked up by the wallpaper. And we want to feed that into this file here. So for that you can load resources. So set from a resource. And let's call that background active. And it's i3wm dot star color 1, for example. And then let's just set a fallback color. So this red one. So we can duplicate that line. So background active, inactive, foreground, inactive, and some background. So we can change that in for example, foreground, client foreground text, for example. Okay. So foreground inactive text and just background. It will be the one here, right? So then we can look at the colors and see what we want to plot on those colors. So the first one is background active. So that's what now is red. That is this one. Paste. And what color do we want it? Let's look. Let's do color 1. So go here, color 1's already set. So it will go to these files, the resources, and you scan and color 1, pick that one up. All right. And the inactive, let's do color 0. That's a little darker. And the foreground, let's go color 0. And here you have the foreground text. So text is here. Tab here. So the foreground text, we have that. So inactive should be the text. Foreground inactive text. And this one should be background inact. Okay. And this one background. Okay, let's save it. And let's reload. And you see that already a change, but there's this color, meaning it cannot find the color 1. And that's because this one, the colors that's being generated by Wall, is one change you need to make. I'm gonna do that now. So the change is in your home directory of Xresources. This is empty now. You must include the Xresources here. Let's do that. Insert, include dot cache wall colors .x resources. So just include the cache wall colors x resources. Exit there. Reload. And last piece of the puzzle is to xrdb merge. xrdb merge. And I think that is this one. Reload. This hasn't been updated. So a little syntax error here, but here, so the color one, now it respects color one. Yeah, so it's using the right color, and xrdb get, for example, color 66. 6. So it's more of like a yellow, and so that's color 6. So let's do the text. For example, do the color 6, reload, and you can see now text is more of a yellow. Yeah, so that's pretty cool, right? So set from resource, and then you can, of course, extend this further. For example, the indicator and child border, those are still blue. Maybe it's good to have another color. Let's do a query. So for example, color 11. Here, the indicator color, focused indicator. So let's just set a resource. All right, so that one. Paste it in there, reload, and you can see here, color has indeed been changed. And now let's put it into end-to-end. And we need to make a little change to the Pywal script. So let's open that. Pywal. So let's make a new function. Merge Xresources. And let's do xrdb merge home. Okay. So now every time we run the Pywal script, it will do that. And let's do the astrology picture of the day. So on this PC, I don't have it. So let's grab it real quick. Grab it, already exists. Okay. And let's do the pip install requirements. And let's copy this file to the scripts directory. And rename it. cd into there. And Python apod. All right, Pywal think I made a mistake there. Line 5.4. Okay. Merge. Not the methods. There you go. So. And there you go. So you see it automatically changes the colors of the title bar. Let's grab another one. So let's switch to the daily one. It's a pretty nice one today. So let's run it. So there you go. More of a yellow color. Yeah. All right. So it looks good, I think. Let's reload. And one other small tweak, because the Pywal color scheme for the console is not transparent. So if we run set, then we can change the transparency. And I'm just gonna create here a variable, copy. So like this one, so the console file. This one. Console file. Right. So just let's just do that. So file open, and the console file is in .config. No, local share console, and then this one, and you have here the opacity. So if you do opacity 0.8, for example, open up a console, then you see it's transparent. If you do 0.2, open up a console, it's very much transparent. So that's a little bit too much. So let's search for opacity equals and then change it to 0.8. Okay, this one. And let's do that in the Pywal script. Okay, so this is the thing we want. And let's grab that syntax. Using the set the streaming editor. So set search for this one, opacity equals, and on everything, and then change to opacity equals 0.8. Okay, and then at global, or I think that's what global stands for. G stands for global, I think. And yeah. Okay, and change transparency to 20%. Okay, change. So that's done. Let's open up a new one. See no transparency. And let's run the picture of the day again. It's done. Open up a new one and you see it's transparent. So yeah, this is basically it, what I wanted to show you. And just to summarize real quick, what we did was get the select from resource here, and then change the client focused and stuff like that. And we change the Pywal script a little bit for opacity. So the Pywal script, what we did was merge, of course, this one. All right. And in that Xresources, we linked to the home demo cache wall, but we can actually remove this one. It's not important. So .cache wall colors. So this resides in the root of the home directory, so it finds cache wall colors, Xresources. This one is updated automatically. Okay, let's test it again. And that will be the final test. So go into script by, open up Vim. Let's grab another one that's, for example, just a random one, right? And let's run it. There you see, everything has changed. Transparency as well. Yeah, that's it for this video. And that's it for another video. I hope you liked it and maybe you learned something new. Like if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.